In this tutorial, I'm going to showcase you how you can find forgotten Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 machine. Throughout today's tutorial, we are just going to use 3 simple commands. So let's get started. As a first step, let's click on the Windows star icon and search for CMD. Then navigate on Command Prompt and right-click. From the options, let's select Run as Administrator. This will run our command line prompt with administrator privileges. In all 3 commands that we are going to issue just now, we are going to leverage netshvlan command. This command is used in order to manage wireless network profiles. It will allow us to read the wireless network password along with other Wi-Fi settings. So let's type netshvlan show profile. This will display all Wi-Fi profiles. So this will represent the Wi-Fi names that you used in the past on this machine. Now let's select one for which we would like to see more details and issue the command netshvlan show profile and the profile name. So in this case, Veronika get-guest. And you see this command will display us all the Wi-Fi network settings relevant to this Veronika guest VLAN profile, such as SSID name, security authentication method, security key presence. But you see, by default, we will not see the password to this Wi-Fi yet. So if we would like to do that, we will just reissue the command and add suffix key equal clear. And this will display in the under security settings and key content section the Wi-Fi password in clear text. And that's it. Hope this was helpful, and see you in the next tutorial.